The new Subaru Crosstrek world premiere today. Combining a compact body with a rugged and sporty design, the Crosstrek delivers complete SUV performance thanks to Subaru's unique symmetrical all-wheel drive, making it a versatile crossover SUV that is ideal for any driving environment, whether it's in the city or for on-road adventures outdoor. The name Subaru XV no longer exists. The new model will wear the Crosstrek badge in North America from 2012, with a new look, more technology, and hybrid power. The front grille, cladding, and rear combination lights are mounted on the body, creating a 3D shape that looks tighter, making the Crosstrek feel stronger and more reliable. The sharp shape, lines, and overhanging fenders accentuate the car's light and dynamic character even while driving on a rough road. A large 11.6 inches center information display with multiple functions is positioned in the center of the interior, in line with the new Subaru interface. It also enhances practicality and comfort with many features designed to make travel times more enjoyable. Starting with the introduction of the latest infotainment system, the cockpit area is designed for user convenience and comfort, making traveling to and from activities more natural. By connecting your smartphone to the latest infotainment system with the large 11.6 inches screen found on the WRX and Outback, you can listen to your favorite music, use your phone, etc. so you focus on driving to feel the daily comfort in the car cabin. The powertrain uses a 2.0-liter e-boxer for electric motor assistance and improvements to reduce vibration and noise in the engine, and a Linertronic CVT have also been made. The new Crosstrek will first be introduced in the Japanese market scheduled for 2023 before being introduced to other markets around the world.